Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're watching. I'm glad you're here watching. This is a little Legacy Media and Computers preview. Now, friend Sergio in the Colony, Texas, sent this to me. So this is a little bit of a mail call. Some of it is from Computer Reset. The other thing I don't believe it is, but we'll do the Computer Reset stuff first. So, the haul last month, I found a box in the warehouse of these 700, essentially 720K floppies. The box was huge. There must have been hundreds of them in there, but they were essentially all of this software called Financial Branch System Services. Have no idea what this is. And of all the discs that I grabbed, you would think I would have grabbed a complete set, but I didn't. And he was able to find the ones that I was missing and send them to me. The other thing I asked for is we have a very special video coming up on this channel. It isn't for something that was found at Computer Reset, but we will be using it to demonstrate quite a few things that were found at Computer Reset. But I needed something because I wasn't going to have the complete setup of this, and I needed something that I could hook up a VGA monitor to. So he sent me this 16-bit VGA card to use in this piece of equipment that has arrived today, and I'm going to post the picture in this video while I narrate a little bit about it. So if the way that I have the video set up is working right, you should be able to see this picture here. And this box that came from California, it's a pretty large box. It's a pretty heavy box. It weighs about 60 pounds, so you can imagine what is inside of it. And we'll do an unboxing of it later this week so you can see exactly what it is, but here I'm going to give you a couple of hints. It's IBM hardware. It is not a personal system 2, and we will be using it to unwrap and demo a great deal of the software that I shipped back from Garland, from Computer Reset. So I'll let you speculate about what's in the box. Want to thank everybody for watching the videos, watching the channel, subscribing, and supporting the channel any way that you can. Please subscribe, please like, please comment, and make sure to share with your friends. And as always, search protect your vintage legacy equipment, back up your spinning rust, and always make sure to park your heads.